Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Notion and Obsidian. Alright, let's begin. First, let's talk about Notion. Notion is an all in one workspace that allows you to take notes, create databases, manage tasks, and build wikis. Pros: highly versatile. You can customize pages, link databases, and use templates. Collaboration: great for teams, allows real time sharing and editing. Web based, accessible from any device with internet access. Aesthetic interface: clean UI with block based formatting. Cons: performance issues, can lag with large databases or complex pages. Offline mode is limited. Full functionality requires an internet connection. Learning curve: too many features might overwhelm new users. Now let's talk about Obsidian. Obsidian is a knowledge based tool that works on local markdown files and focuses on linking thoughts and ideas. Pros: offline first, everything is stored locally and works without internet. Markdown based, lightweight, and future proof notes. Powerful linking helps in building a network of interconnected ideas. Zettelkasten method. Highly customizable with community plugins. Cons: not ideal for collaboration. No built-in real-time collaboration tools. Steeper setup requires more manual configuration to get started. Interface is less intuitive compared to Notion. So that's basically the main differences between Notion and Obsidian. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.